Ka Meghalaya Trinamool Congress kala Pynlong ya ka program ka pher bha ka history sign perthai jong ka jala Meghalaya Daka ba Pynlong ya ka program town hall in conversation with women in North Shillong Constituency kabala ai jingkran daw Dr. Mukul Sangma nong yalam kaliang persya na TMC ha Meghalaya Kathong jong kane ka program ka long banwan ra ya ka jingya dei ka bajan ha padeng ki pai ba bat kin nong yalam kham tam ki riu kan thai kum ka seng ka burom ya ka jinglong tanrai ka riti ka dostor ban burom kerpang ya ki kan thai ban sha skor ru ya ki jing e ki baman Shibon ki kan hon seng kan thai na kaleng ka Shillong ki lawan ban shim benta bat kali jing kali bat u Dr. Mukul Sangma ula ai jubab halor ki jing kali jong ki Bat habapai halor ka jingja ha mukro u Dr. Mukul Sangma ula ong badai ka jingle riu klau bat ka dei ka jingja ka bamdei shu banjan nang ne shakmat bat ban wanra ya ka jingya pher jaj ban riu hanrei ka sorkar ka klemshim kian nadu basdang ka ba Pynlong ya ka ne ka jingja ka bas ngausi bat ka jingya kran ha preng ki ar sorkar ka klemdan hanrei la shukhang da ka internet
This is a issue which is just before us. I had the chance to go and see for myself, along with my own friends and colleagues from the party, to know from the ground zero the situations that those were unfolding in the preceding months and preceding years. The prevention and deterrence is the mantra. How we prevent from this type of unfortunate incidents happening. Therefore, at the very outset, I think it's only appropriate for us to once again condole the unfortunate demise of those precious lives, and we convey our deepest condolences to the members of the bereaved family, the victims. And at the same time, this brutal killing has been something which could have avoided, which shouldn't have happened, and it's highly condemnable, and we have condemned this brutal killing of innocent lives. Now, if you're looking at the instances of harassment, instances of atrocities perpetrated upon the innocent citizens by the authorities. Therefore, it's a matter of concern because in the instant case, it is not something which has happened between people versus people or people belong to different communities from across the border. It is something which has happened, which could have been avoided because the overall brutality that was witnessed was perpetrated by the government authorities. You know, these kind of skirmishes along the border and the alleged harassment from amongst the innocent citizens from the areas, the villages along Assam Meghalaya border has been coming on a regular basis. And the frequency, there was surge of such frequencies. Therefore, there should have been preemptive measures by both the governments. The lack of response from the side of the government has emboldened such authorities from the other side, resulting in what we have witnessed, unfortunately. Thank you.